How to make negative numbers red in Excel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to make negative numbers red, you'll need to apply conditional formatting. I'll show you how to do it. So let's dive right in. Open up your Excel file and then now just select the column where you want to apply conditional formatting, and then in the styles tab you can see conditional formatting option. Tap on it and tap on highlight cell rules. So go to less than, and then you can see format cells that are less than, so you can put any number of your choice. I'll put 0, and then it is automatically set to light red. You can tap on the drop down and change the color, and then hit OK. And there you go. All the negative numbers are now highlighted in red color. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.